Sometimes you just gotta block out those little evil voices in your head that's preventing you from trying anything new, because I'm telling you, when you make yourself one of these drinks at home, you're going to be hooked. Now, I only say that to use a fair warning because the recipe that I'm about to give you may turn into addiction. But hey, you're strong, I believe in you. Some of us have a little bit more willpower than others, but let's just dive right into this drink. Let's go ahead and switch it up a little bit, and we're going to be using the coconut edition Red Bull. Then we're going to be adding roughly about an ounce of white chocolate and blackberry from Tirani. And yes, it does make a difference when it comes to the brands of these flavors. And that's because each brand has a different take on these flavors. So if you ask me, as you can see, I usually go for Tirani. Now we're just going to pour our coconut edition Red Bull into the mix of these flavors. And man, when I tell you, look at the beauty of this. Now, some of you may frown upon adding cream into the mix, but you just don't know what you're missing. And since we're making this at home, we're just going to grab a long enough utensil to stir this up properly. And trust me, my wife has at least 30,000 tumblers, and these straws are like everywhere. Now let's finish this thing off by adding some whipped cream to the top for some aesthetic. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you for hanging out with me. We're going to be making a lot more drinks in this upcoming week for the Halloween season. I can't wait to see you in the next episode. I'm out.